Welcome to 23 Hansom Drive. Not only are we located in a sought-after, terrific neighborhood, we're right down the street from Sweetser Elementary School, and there's also a walking and biking trail right behind the neighborhood as well. This home has lots of updates, tons of curb appeal, and there's plenty of space for work, play, and everyday living. Come check out the inside and enjoy the tour. My name is John from the Ternullo Team at Leading Edge Real Estate. If you'd like to see this home in person, give me a call at 617-275-3379. Make sure you like our Facebook page to stay in the know of real estate related info to the suburbs north of Boston. And if you're considering a move, check out our website at ternullorealestate.com.